Good day to all! This is Group 9 and we will be doing Model 4 of Experiment 3. For Task 1, these are the materials that are needed. First, peel one apple and chop it into small pieces. Next, add 1 glass of water and place it in a cooking pan. Cover it and set the heat to low. Let it simmer for at least 20 minutes or until the apple looks tender and soft. In the pan, use a fork to mash and blend the apples into puree. Measure 5 tablespoons of meat tenderizer and transfer it into the empty jar. Add 150 ml of water in the jar and mix the solution. Place 3 tablespoons of apple puree in a container. Then, add 5 teaspoons of baking soda solution. Pour a cup of 2 and mix thoroughly. Filter the solution and wait for 10 minutes. Then, compare the results in Procedure 1 and 3. When filtering, we noticed that there is a lot of filtrate. After waiting for 10 minutes, there were no changes that happened. The surface of the filtrate has a minimal amount of bubbles and it has an oily or greasy substance on top. Furthermore, the filtrate is translucent yellow with white lines in the corner of the surface, which we assume are caused by the oily substance on top of the filtrate. For task 2, prepare 10 cubes of apples and make them nearly the same in size. Prepare and label the covered containers: control, water, oil, lemon juice, and sliced onion. Place 2 cubes of apple in each container. Put the different substances on the surfaces of each apple cube. Use a spoon to put lemon juice on the surface of the apple slice and do the same for oil. For the sliced onion, rub it on the surface of the apples. Then, add 5 teaspoons of baking soda solution. Keep all the samples inside the refrigerator overnight. Compare the apple cubes in terms of the browning. Rank them from 1 to 5, where 1 is that with extensive browning. These are the results after 12 hours of refrigerating the samples. The apple that is soaked in the calamansi baking soda solution is the least brownish color of all. This is because the citric acid, which is the calamansi, reduced the pH level of the apple, thus lowering the rate of enzymatic activity. Next is the apple soaked in the water. The third is the apple in the control group. The fourth is the apple soaked in onion baking soda solution. The apple soaked in oil baking soda solution has the most brownish color. For task 3, put 1/4 cup of hydrogen peroxide in 4 separate plastic cups. Put a cube of potato in cup 1, a cube of onion in cup 2, a cube of apple in cup 3, and a cube of pineapple in cup 4. Add 5 teaspoons of baking soda solution in each cup. Compare the 4 cubes in terms of the bubbles they produce. The potato cube produced the most bubbles. Apple cube produced more bubbles than onion but less than the potato cube. Onion produced more bubbles than pineapple but less than that of apple. Pineapple produced the least bubbles. For task 4, prepare 4 plastic cups and label it from 1 to 4. Put 5 teaspoons of vinegar in cup 1. Put 5 teaspoons of baking soda solution in cup 2. Put 1 strip of potato and soak it for 5 minutes. Put 5 teaspoons of hydrogen peroxide in cups 3 and 4. Transfer the strip from cup 1 to cup 3 and transfer the strip from cup 2 to cup 4. Then, add 5 teaspoons of baking soda solution in cup 3 and cup 4. Cup 4 formed bubbles faster than cup 3. Since cup 4 is more basic, therefore, it increases the catalyst activity of the potato, showing faster reaction than cup 3. For task 5, prepare 2 glasses of fresh milk. Add 1 teaspoon of pineapple juice to the first glass. Add 1 teaspoon of pineapple juice and 2 teaspoons of vinegar to the second glass. Stir the solutions and record for the results in 5 minutes. Compare the reaction in the 2 glasses. In the cup of milk added with pineapple juice, nothing happened to the mixture. However, in the cup of milk added with pineapple juice and vinegar, there was a slowly clotting of the mixture. That is all. Thank you for watching.